Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Ravi Static Physios. In this series of pharmacology, the next topic is demyelinating disease. So demyelinating disease, a condition that cause a damage to the myelin of your brain or spinal cord and nerves. So myelinating sheet are present into the neuron which prevent the excessive tension or resistance occur in your body. So it will be prevent over there, or also protecting the nerve fibers to send a signal into your first neuron to second neuron or neuromuscular junction, post pre neuron to post neuron. So it will be send neuron signals accurately. So if any kind of abnormality, so demyelinating and genetic changes, abnormal hormones, any kind of stress or psychological tension, so that will be cause demyelinating into your nervous system. So myelin is a protective cover sheath around your body section, axon or nerve cells. Types: multiple sclerosis, transverse myelitis, central protein myelinolysis, Guillain-Barré syndrome, which is GBS, or Charcot-Marie-Tooth disease. These are some conditions if demyelinating disease will be occur into your into your neuron. So there are some types. So these types have a symptoms occur into the blur vision, tingling sensation, numbness, fatigue, bladder, bowel move problems, difficulty to walking, stiffness, spastic muscle, flaccid muscle, dikinetic stiffness occur into your muscles if demyelinating disease will be occur. So how it will be diagnosed by that? In MRI, lumbar puncture test, blood test, evoked potential test. So these are some diagnostic method to like check the demyelinating condition of the nerve, or also diagnosed about the what kind of condition occur into your neuron, like multiple sclerosis, transverse myelitis, or Guillain-Barré syndromes for the assessment over there. Like medication is to be methylperidosolone. These medication help to like control the exaggerated movement and function of the demyelinating disorder. It will be relaxed over there. Or also if there is a too much taking of this medication like methylperidosolone, so it will be flu like symptoms, bradycardias, and risk of PM. So these are symptoms of the demyelinating drug if you are taking too much. So that is the demyelinating disease. Thank you.